Hey everybody, this video is made for educational purposes only. We want everybody's channel to survive, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Might even take off the mask. So check this out. Hey everybody, Crapshoot Creations here, live from New Jersey. Don't want to miss this episode. Sub for sub. Are you a true sub for sub? Or are you just a dud for dud? You don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. So, welcome to the channel, Crapshoot Creations. Video about sub to sub. What do I know about sub to sub? Who knows? Maybe I got a couple other YouTube channels doing pretty good. Sub to sub's really not going to work. Hate to say it. You got some good subber, good friends, good relationships. Peace. And you got some bad relationships. Oh, I'll sub to you, hit the button, ba-da-da, disappear in a day. This is what I got to say. But are you really going to survive on sub to sub? I don't know. I see a lot of you putting up, I support small subscribers, and everybody rushes to your video. Everybody subbing back and forth. Well, I hate to be the guy with the bad news, but in the end, when you go to get monetized by YouTube, they're probably going to kick your channel off. You know, get out of here, because they're going to run through your channel and they're going to see videos on your channel. I support little subbers with all these comments, sub to sub. I want to be your friend. They're all keywords to the YouTube, so they're going to dismiss that, if not close down your channel. So do you really want to do that? Be genuine, subscriber. Hit the bell. That's what we do. We go to your channel when we get a chance. Check out the new ones, the old ones. Leave our opinions. That's the only way you're going to get true subscribers. That and the content on your channel. If you're putting up stuff that's pretty much nonsense, that has nothing to do with nothing, you're not going to make it. So it's pretty much up to you and the person subscribing to you. You subscribe to us, we subscribe to you, we hit the bell, we don't go back, we see it going up and down, up and down. Why worry about it? Just keep making your videos, doing the best you can, put them up there. People see them, some people like them, some people don't. They want to hit the button, fine. But at least hit the bell. Be a true subscriber. You know? Check out a couple videos. Sure, it gets hard when you got 200, 300, 500, 1,200 subscribers. You can't keep connecting with everybody, or that's all you'd be doing is on YouTube making comments, watching other people's videos. this part of the video is for all the fake people. Come on, really? You think you're getting somewheres? Hit the button, I subscribe, send a message, hey, I subscribe to you, where are you? Come on, don't want to even watch one video, one comment? You know? This is all I got to say to you guys. Why are you wasting everybody's time? What do you think? Well, YouTube's going to check your channel. You got over 1,000 subscribers, a couple little comments, and you don't subscribe to anybody? Oh, everybody must like you because everybody's subscribing to you, and you're subscribing to nobody. Good luck with that one. You know what I'm saying? Good luck. Look, I'm not out to hurt anybody's feelings. I'm just giving you reality here. I mean, if you think you're going to get monetized, make some money without any content, without any real subscribers, family to you, you're not going to make it. You know, if you believe that, I'm sorry. Want to take a space ride up into space with me? That's what it comes down to. Look, can't we all just get along? Get away from the nonsense? Peace, love, and tie-dye. So if you want to subscribe to us and hit the bell. We'll come and visit your channel. We'll take care of you. For the rest of you guys, just wasting time away. And we got plenty of that. So stay tuned for the next video. And thanks a lot for watching. And don't be upset about anything I said, because I'm just trying to help everybody out. And don't turn your channel into a sub hub, because YouTube's going to get you for it in the end. Peace, love, and tie-dye. This message is only for educational purposes, not to sub on my channel. Eventually, it'll be taken down. It's just a message I'm trying to help everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Peace, love, and tie-dye. This video is made for educational purposes only. So don't get upset. We want your channel to survive. You know what I'm saying?